Monika Singh and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and also do follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Okay, so आज होने वाला है एक makeup tutorial. So I uploaded a shorts on this tutorial and oh my god, it became the highest viewed video on my channel. Like you guys seem to love it, so I thought कि एक पूरा like proper tutorial हो जाए same look पे. So I am back with a makeup tutorial and I hope कि आपको ये video अच्छा लगा. तो without further ado, let's begin with the video. So I'll quickly go wash my face and then I'll be back because you should always do the makeup on a clean face. Okay, so I just washed my face and this is what my bare face looks like. So this is gonna be like a very natural and ekdam summer appropriate makeup. Will not be using foundation because summer spray foundation it's too heavy. So okay, let me just begin with moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer I am using. This is the Nivea Soft Vitamin E. This is very good, especially for dry skin people. It's good. So we'll be starting off with a moisturizer because for your makeup, your base has to be very good, else your makeup will look cakey. Okay, so now step 2 has to be sunscreen. So we usually like skip sunscreen, but guys please, sunscreen is very important. Either you are going out or you are staying at home. So this is the sunscreen I'm using. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer and it has SPF 50 plus, so it gives you like a really nice coverage. I have showed this in my Nykaa haul in case you haven't checked that out, the previous Nykaa haul. Okay, so our face is all prepped up and now we'll begin with the makeup part. So the first thing we'll be using is a concealer. So this is the concealer I'm using. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal and this is the shade, wait, I always forget the shade. Okay, so this is the shade Pure Base. Okay, so I have tried to give the maximum coverage with the concealer itself because we are not to use the foundation. So I have applied it on all the areas where I have pigmentation. So now I'll be blending it with my hands. You can either use a beauty blender, but I think hands से ज़्यादा अच्छा से blend होता है. Okay, so the concealer has blended very beautifully and you can just notice the difference. It's looking so beautiful. Okay, wait, let me come a bit close. I was too far. Okay, now you can see that it already looks so plain. Now to set the base, I'll be using a compact. So this is the Maybelline New York. If you just like a dewy finish, you can just skip this step. Especially for dry skin people, it's not at all necessary to do this step. Off the excess with your hands and you are done with the base. Just look at it. Your base is so glowy and it looks really good. Okay, so now it's time to do the eyes and I'll be using a kajal. So this is the Maybelline. Is this Maybelline or Lakme? Okay, no, this is Maybelline. So I'll be using it on my lower lash line and on my upper lash line. You can either use eyeliner, but I like kajal a little more than eyeliner. So I'll be using a kajal. So just look at it. I think kajal looks very beautiful on Indian skin tone or Indian people. So now you can leave it like this also, but I'll prefer going on the upper lash line as well. So Okay, so you can see that this eyes look so much bigger as compared to this eyes. That's why I prefer using a kajal. Okay, so done with the kajal, and you can see the difference. It's looking so beautiful. So I won't be applying a mascara because I don't think it looks very natural, and for me it's very heavy. So I'll be skipping that part. You can use an eyelash curler and you can curl your eyes. So the next step is I'll be using an eyebrow pencil, but I'm using it very light because you can see already my eyebrows are a bit defined. So this is a eyebrow pencil from Maybelline in this shade dark brown, or darkest of brown. I think they look pretty much similar, like if not twin sisters, at least cousin sisters, because that's the most I can get out of it. Yeah, I think it's done, and you can already see the difference on my face. It's looking so beautiful. Now it's time to add some color back to the face because face is looking very blank, no color at all. So I'll be using this. So this is the Maybelline ka Alia Loves New York in the shade Broadway Red. So I'll be using this as a lipstick, as a blush, and as an eyeshadow. I prefer reds and pinks over nudes. So just applying it on my cheeks and just blending it over all over. So just look at it. It gives very natural glow. I swear it's showing less on the camera, but in real it looks very beautiful. So we'll just use this as an eyeshadow also. So yeah, that's done, and now we'll move on with the final step, that's highlighter. So for the highlighter, I'll be using this Maybelline ka Master Grow. This is in the shade Molten Gold, but you have to be very careful with the highlighter. Agar ज़्यादा लगा लिया, so it will not look natural at all. So you have to like put the right amount of the highlighter. Just take like a very little and apply it on your higher points. Okay, so now just blend it using your hands. Yeah, our makeup is done. You can just use your hands to like set the entire face wherever you think it's a bit not done. You can just mix your highlighter using your hands, and yeah, you saw that we did the entire makeup using our hands, so you just don't need any equipments, beauty blender or brushes, and your hands are enough. So yeah, that was it for today's video. That was my no foundation makeup routine for summers, and I hope कि आपको ये video अच्छा लगा हो. Like this is the perfect makeup for summers. Like very light, doesn't feel like anything, but you look like a lot more presentable. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and also if you did like this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye. Love you all.